I was extremely happy to be in Kerala, but this was just a dream. So I decided to plan a trip with my friends. As I pack my bags, I feel a sense of excitement and anticipation. I'm ready to explore new places, try new foods, and make unforgettable memories. Traveling is an adventure, and I can't wait to see where it takes me next. So let's go out and see what wonders awaits us in Kerala. The incoming train signifies that we are heading towards a new adventure, and the train is our gateway to Kerala. It was 2 a.m. in the night, and look at the excitement on those faces. Finally, we got our train at 6 a.m. in the morning, and look at this view from the train. It's just so amazing. For now, I'll show you some videos taken from the train, so just sit back and enjoy the view. And after 6 hours of travel, this was the scene. अरे मैं तो थक गई. All into their phones. So this was all for our train journey video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. In the upcoming video, I will show you some of the other places that we visited in Kerala and the fun that we had. So I hope all of you all are excited for those. Thank you for watching.